All right, today we're going to talk about pain.
Hey.
Somebody say pain.
Hey.
Yes. Pain is, number one, inevitable. Pain is inevitable. If you want to be a prop firm trader, successful, funded, meeting your goals, the journey to that process, the journey from beginner to successful has a whole lot of pain. You can't get away from it. Pain, number two, has degrees. There's levels. There's different degrees of pain. For example, there's the pain of missing out on a trade. That's a little lower, small degree of pain. That's not as intense. I missed out. That's right. There's the pain of getting stopped out for break even. And then all the way to the more intense pain, FOMO, revenge trading, and of course, blowing accounts. Somebody say pain. Now, the other thing about pain, which is really unique, it falls into two categories. All pain, I don't care what it is in life, falls into two categories. You have unexpected pain, which is what we deal with the most, but you also have expected pain. Unexpected pain, you can go to work one day and the boss says, sorry Jay, the company's going under, we're closing the doors today. Just lost your job. Unexpected pain. Something more severe, you get a phone call, your dad just dropped down dead. Unexpected pain. Right? Expected pain would be something like capital gains taxes. The IRS coming. You know the IRS is coming. It's expected. It's still painful. A woman goes into labor, that's expected pain. She knows, okay, there's gonna be some pain. So now she can do what? She can prepare for the pain. Somebody say prepare for the pain. Yeah. If you know how to prepare for the pain, then the pain that you endure is now in the category called expected. Unexpected pain has a higher level of intensity than expected pain. Expected pain can still hurt, but you can prepare for the pain, unless it's labor. But the thing about labor is this. You have a miracle inside of you. So the joy that's set before you empowers you to endure your cross. In other words, if you could just push through the pain, somebody say push through the pain. If you could push through the pain, then you'll receive your miracle. God has a miracle inside of each and every one of us. Now the question is, are you willing to push through the pain? If you want to be a full-time successful prop firm futures trader, you got to be willing to push through the pain. You got to be willing to push through the pain. Now, what helps to push through the pain? And when a woman's in labor, what do they give her? They give her something called a pain reliever. Ibuprofen, whatever, shoot them up with morphine. Everybody, when going through that level of pain, needs a pain reliever to help manage the pain. See, when you're a trader, you are technically a pain manager. Now, what am I saying? I'm saying is, since pain is inevitable, you could have profit. You could be up for the day, have met your goals. Let's say you're up $1,200 and take 2 stupid trades and lose 400. You're still up $800, but you're not as happy because you just lost 20-some%, 25% or whatever of your profit. Even though you still gained, there's still a level of pain to it. Now, in trading, everybody tells you and everybody knows, most important thing is risk management. So when I say pain management, I'm really saying risk management. Because if you could make sure you have a plan, somebody say plan.
Plan.
Your plan puts in place your risk management. That's your pain reliever. Your pain reliever is the plan. Somebody say the plan.
The plan
is my pain reliever.
is my pain reliever.
Yeah. Because within your plan, you have set forth your risk management levels. You know where your stop's going to be. You know when you're not going to get into a trade unless there's break of structure, unless there's a liquidity grab, whatever your plan is. Based off your pain tolerance. Now, we can build what I call pain resilience, where you can get more resilient to the pain. Why? Because now you're expecting it. You know it's coming. You could build pain tolerance, and you could build it into your plan so that now you don't react so quickly and end up missing out, losing a trade, end up losing a lot of money. Let me give you an example of what I'm saying. Rather than doing minis, I switched to micros. Because during minis, I was finding my levels were right. My entry was good, but I didn't give it enough room to breathe. So after 10 points on a mini, I'm stopped out because I'm down $200 or something like that. And I didn't want to lose more than $200. But this trade needed more than 10 points. It might have needed 20 points to breathe before it turned around and reversed. So I said, okay, now I'm going to put into my plan, which is my pain reliever. I'm going to put in the risk management because my pain tolerance is too low. I can't handle $200 loss right now. It hurts too much. So I want to put in micros. So I put in micros. I put on a trade. I went to bed because I was that confident that at the level that I was at, I wouldn't get into too much drawdown. Sure enough, it came down maybe about $20, 20 points, 25 points, which was like $50 or $60 of drawdown. That's manageable pain. Say manageable pain.
Manageable.
Yes. See, that's $60.
That's $60.
With manageable pain. So it wasn't even painful. It was expected. I minimized my risk.
Yes.
And I put in the plan, which was my ibuprofen. That was my shot of morphine. And I was able to watch my trade go into down, it was down for a little bit and go into its drawdown. But a couple hours later, it finally turned and I made money on it. So the point is this, the lesson of the day is this. You have to number one, have a plan. Number two, you put that plan in the driver's seat. Because you can't drive, you keep crashing that car. The plan is set in stone. The plan can do the driving for you. Because what the plan is going to do is minimize the pain. Oh yeah. You got to first minimize the pain so that you can now maximize the gain.
Oh, yeah.
When we put in our plan, our pain reliever, and we minimize the pain because now it's expected, our risk management is there to handle it all. Now, we can maximize profits. If I could show you a system, if I can give you some educational material that could help you to put the plan together, help you to see the 10 types of pains that you will occur on a daily basis. Build pain resilience, build pain tolerance, minimize the pain, and maximize profit. Would that be of interest to you?
Yes,
Would that be helpful information for you?
that would be very helpful.
Fantastic. If so, what I want you to do is this. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. In the comments section below, say, yes, I am ready for the pain reliever. I'm ready to have a pain reliever. Because here's the alternative. If you don't have a pain reliever after 1 year, 6 months, or 2 years, you get to the point where you say, you know what? I'm just gonna quit. I'm gonna quit. Everybody who tries and jumps on the top step, jumps into My Funded Futures or Apex, and they give it a good go, after a certain amount of time, the pain has gotten to be just too much. They never put in a pain reliever. They had high hopes. All they had was aspirations. All they had was big dreams. Yes, don't you worry about it, baby. By this time this year, I'm gonna be making 65K. Just hang on to this ride for me. But they were driving the boat. Their plan wasn't driving the boat. And the boat had holes in the bottom and they sunk and the pain got too much and they said, I quit. You will quit because the pain will get too much. It'll get overbearing to the point where you say, I can't take it no more. Who are these people that quit? They were people that didn't work the plan, didn't have the risk management in place, didn't have their pain reliever, and was not understanding that rather than trying to make money, they're in the business of managing pain. Thank you very much, people. Ladies and gentlemen, like and subscribe, put a comment in the channel, and I'll see you next week.